Hey, I'm HVAC Repair Guy with over 17 years out in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, backed by my early days as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a look at two top-tier variable speed heat pumps, the KeepRite Ion 23, model C5H3V, and the York YZV. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, KeepRite utilizes an open-wire grill setup over the outdoor coil. York takes protection a step further on the YZV by using heavy-gauge slotted, metal louvered panels, which offer far greater defense against airborne debris, yard hazards, and hail compared to open-wire designs. When it comes to heating performance, Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, is the key metric for winter operation and cold climate efficiency. A higher HSPF means the unit transfers heat more efficiently when temperatures drop. The KeepRite Ion 23 checks in with a higher 10.5 HSPF from the spec sheet, giving it superior heating efficiency in freezing conditions. The York YZV comes in at a 9.0 HSPF. Both systems provide efficient cooling during the summer months, but KeepRite gives you significantly more heating output per dollar of electricity in the winter. Looking at the compressor and fan technology, both units feature true variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fan motors. Variable speed tech constantly ramps up or down in tiny increments to match the exact heat load of your house, which means precise temperature control, better humidity removal, and less mechanical wear and tear on the equipment over time. Noise levels are a major factor for outdoor comfort. The KeepRite Ion 23 operates as low as 55 decibels, which is about as quiet as a quiet residential street or background office chatter. The York YZV drops down to 54 decibels, which is comparable to a quiet dishwasher running in the next room. Looking at manufacturing origins and corporate ownership, KeepRite is produced in Mexico under parent company Carrier Global Corporation. The York YZV is manufactured in the USA, with the brand now operating under Bosch Home Comfort. In terms of real-world installed pricing, high-efficiency variable-speed heat pumps like these typically fall into a premium price bracket. An installed KeepRite Ion 23 system ranges from $9,000 to $13,500 depending on location and ductwork modifications. The York YZV generally commands a similar installed range of $10,500 to $14,000 for a complete system setup. Comparing warranties, the KeepRite Ion 23 includes a 10-year base warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. The York YZV features a 10-year base warranty and steps up with a lifetime compressor warranty, though it offers 0 unit replacement warranty. If I'm standing in your yard making a clear recommendation, the winner here is the KeepRite Ion 23. While York gives you better physical coil protection with its slotted panels, KeepRite delivers a significantly higher 10.5 HSPF for lower winter heating bills and backs it up with a 10-year unit replacement warranty that replaces the entire outdoor unit if the compressor dies.